I will call it a hot potato, because this was the project where nobody in the company actually wanted to pick it up. We thought it may be a really cool project, and I actually went to C-level and told them that I want to have your hot potato with us. And the project was that they had over half of petabyte of auditing data scattered across entire Europe. So the first of all, the project was not documented at all. So we needed to figure out why it was built, how it was built, what versions are up and running, where are the servers. Some of them were actually turned off, so we needed to call support to come into server room and plug it in, turn it on. Some of them, or this is really fun bit of it, we actually shut down internet for one of the countries in Europe. It seems that our data was sitting in the government facility, and their way of limiting the internet speed was not smart. And when we start pushing a Golang code, we actually saturated the connectivity, and most of the country actually went offline. And we got a call from one of the ministries to shut down the operation. So
I can
it was
imagine that call where they called you and said, "Hello, you just killed our internet. We shut you down. Stop doing it."
at first I thought it was phishing, but then it actually escalated.
I don't believe this call. Sorry, hanging up. They called you back. Hello.
So, like, imagine getting a call and somebody tells you, "Hey, I'm the president of United States. You need to stop your process on the server A."
Yeah, yeah.
It's like
Please give
you
me your
don't believe it.
GoFundMe and Social Security.
So, yeah, that's one of the cases that we actually had. And with the project itself, like half of petabyte of data, it was really hard for the guys to get any knowledge out of this data. We moved it into GCP, and we actually focus on the time and the complexity of the operations that are done on the data set. So now the guys can scan the half of petabyte of data within 11 seconds. And this, you can ask any question for the data. So, like, looking how the organization changed over the months, when they noticed that now we can actually make a educated decisions based on data that is available for everyone. This was astonishing. And technically, project of moving half of petabyte of data across Europe in different directions, it was really interesting stuff technically to do.